Alright, final incubator setup. It's actually not much different from the last couple of videos. Open the latches. I still don't have the acrylic, and it's still dripping tons of water off of there. I haven't opened this in a couple days. And as you can see, every single box is really moist. I did take temperatures for several days in every box, and these three units right here to the left, they maintained exact same temperatures with the fans going, one that way and one parallel to it, and switching that around. I really don't know why this one stays a little bit cooler. It could be because the little spout is on this side. It could be a number of reasons, just airflow. But anyway, yeah, this one stays just a few tenths of a degree cooler, so I probably just won't use it. I don't have any need for it, so I could just use these other three and they will be perfectly fine. But under these, let's see, this one has a thermometer probe in it, so after you take each individual egg box out, as I showed you prior, it's got the egg crate, and under the egg crate is those aluminum pans, which I'm going to fill up with distilled water when a female ovulates. But I've got two other pans on the side, and that's the only difference, really. They seem to have oxidized a little bit, which, oh well, it will be alright. But anyway, the loaf pans seem to fit perfect, so on either side. So one of these huge pans, these huge aluminum, I guess you would call it a full tray catering pan, but it's just one of the aluminum ones, and I decided to go with this style instead of the stainless steel, just because it's cheaper. But the fans are still running, like you saw before, but all we did is add these two little loaf pans with water in them. Same setup with the air pump. I just don't have it on at the moment because there's no eggs in there, so I just didn't want to run the pump. But that's basically the setup. Acrylic's going on that lip, and as you can see, I took out the one row of the PVC, just didn't fit with the height requirements that I have. I guess in the other videos people would use 3/4 inch PVC. I used 1 1/4 inch because I have a bunch of it at my house. So just use your knowledge and use what you have around, and you can set something up pretty easily by yourself in no time flat, as long as you have the necessary components and you just need to mess around with things and guess and check and figure out what works for you. And this is what looks like it's going to work for me, and I will know this year when I hatch some eggs out of it. So stick around and let me know if you guys are interested in getting on a waiting list for babies. Once they come around, I'll put up updates of that on the website. But anyway, you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this incubator setup run through.